Components. Components are reusable controls for a Canvas app. They enable designers to build custom controls to use inside an app, or across apps using a component library. Components can use advanced features such as custom properties and enable complex capabilities. We will create a header component. Let's learn more by watching the following video. We start by selecting the Tree View button from the menu at the left of the screen. You will see two tabs, Screens and Components. Let's select Components. Now, select the option, New Component. Rename your component. Remember to apply your prefix for your naming convention. Select the Fill property from the Property drop-down, located in the top left of the screen. Within the formula bar we are going to choose a color for our header. For this demo, we will use the color blue. Now, let's change the width property value to 1366 and the height value to 76. We are now going to create some custom properties for our new component. Let's start by selecting the component that we have created, preceded by New Custom Property, from the Properties pane to the right of the screen. We are presented with the following fields: display name, the name of our custom property, description, a description of what our component is. Property type, categorize your component based on its behavior. Data type, the data type of your custom property. After populating the required fields, press Create. Select your newly created custom property, and input the following: App, Active Screen, Name. This formula will automatically populate your header with the name of the screen that you place your header. Let's now select your component and insert a text label control. Change its text property value to the name of your component followed by the name of your custom property. Select the width property and change its value to parent.width. Now change the height property to parent.height. This will dynamically change your height and width of your label control to the same as your component. Let's change the following: font property value to 30, bold value to true, color property value to white, and rename your label. Finally, align. We have now created a custom component. Return to your home screen and select Insert and Custom Component. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.